What's up everybody? Hope you are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can disable or turn off notifications in your device Infinix Hot 20. So if you want to disable notifications in your device, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can disable or turn off notifications in your device Infinix Hot 20.